with the flashback button, the flash BIOS button, download the software on a flash drive, format it to FAT32, download the drivers, the ROM or whatever, rename it to msi.rom on the flash drive. There should be no other files. I need to connect, oh, there you go, CPU power 1 and ATX power 1, right? Okay. Let's push this guy in here. Why is that on? It shouldn't be on. I think there's residual power in the let's take this off here. Residual power in the power supply, so that's why the light had turned on. And let's see here. This one is the one closest to the back. Let's see if we can get those in. All right, that's it. Right. And to do the flash BIOS, what we have to do, put this in the flashback, which is highlighted in red here, and it even says flash BIOS, right? Right, and we press that flash BIOS. So we can see the motherboard is on, and now we're gonna hit that flash button in the back. I got my USB in. I'm gonna hit that button in the back here. Now, press the flash button. LED button. The button LED starts flashing. After the flashing process is 100% complete, the LED would be off. Now, okay, I see it flashing there. So, I'm not sure if you can see that button flashing. I guess I had to take this off. So, wow, that fan pushes a lot of air, huh? So while that's working on flashing the BIOS, you can see that the chipset fan is like revving up. It's kind of actually pretty loud actually, but from what I've read, you know, it doesn't really turn on that much, but we'll find out. So right now we have the debug code, CPU code, I guess, and let's just wait for that light to finish flashing. And while that's doing that, let me just read this book real quick again. This video might be a long video, I think I'm going to have to make 2 parts or something. Let's see. So my last bill was in 2013. So I've never had to do this process before, so. But if I can do it, anybody buying a new CPU, the motherboard doesn't come updated. Should be simple enough. So I can look here, and it's still doing its thing, so. Yeah, I was surprised to learn that you can actually plug this board in and just have it out like this with the power on and nothing happened. I guess if you had this on like some kind of, if any of these, things would short out, let's say touch something metallic, then yeah, you're being up a creek, so. Just wait for that, I guess. So after this, I think the next step would be installing the motherboard inside of the tower. Once the motherboard is, before I even install the motherboard, I'm going to do is install all the fans, the case fans that I bought. So that'll be the next step. Once I put the case fans in, I'm going to put the board in. This doesn't matter. But put the board in after, put the RAM in, put the CPU in. I'm surprised this thing doesn't come with a CPU cover on there, but maybe I should just pop the CPU in there right now, actually. Yeah. So we'll do that. We'll pop the CPU in here, because I don't want to leave the socket open. Any dust or anything like that can form on it. Okay, so BIOS light is now, looks like it stopped flashing actually. Just check that again, once again. Better to be safe. And recheck your instructions before doing anything. So
after the flashing BIOS process is 100% complete, the LED would be off simultaneously. I'm assuming simultaneously means that well, it stopped flashing, so I'm guessing they meant just a constant no flash. So now, if I'm not mistaken, I can just power it off, not using the power button. I'm just going to turn it off using the power supply button, and then put the CPU in, continue to build, and we'll see if the flash worked at the end. Just double check that again, and it's not blinking at all, so should be good. Okay, so now let's put this back here and take this all this power